To find a 2017 or 18 Dazzler-engined Audi RS3 with only one owner from new, sub 10,000 miles, with all factory original paint is almost impossible to come by. But we have exactly that here. This is a 67 plate RS3 Saloon with only one owner from new, and it has just covered 8,200 miles. That's 1,400 miles a year on average, and some people do that within a month. It has never been launched, and we have verified that using Audi dealer diagnostics. And we can confirm by examining the paintwork on this car that it is all factory original. This RS3 has a meticulous service history. Its original owner kept every bit of documentation for all the work that's been carried out on this car. He's even kept the original purchase invoice from the day it was ordered. Let's talk about the spec. This RS3 left the factory with a range of desirable factory optional extras, including the panoramic roof, magnetic ride control, matrix LED headlights, comfort and sound package, super sport seats, and that's just naming a handful of the extras. And it benefits from nearly £9,000 of modifications, including an APR Stage 1 Plus remap, plus meaning it can produce a few more extra horsepower thanks to its Eventuri carbon fibre intake and the Wagner intercooler. And this also provides a perfect opportunity for you to take it to the next level, to go Stage 2 with it. It's already equipped with the TVS Engineering Stage 2 Plus gearbox calibration, so all it needs is a downpipe and a tweak of the engine software for it to be Stage 2. We're going to be putting this RS3 through our 60-hour detailing preparation process, so we get the condition of this car to our high exacting standards before it moves on to second ownership. Now is your chance to own one of the most cherished Audi RS3s that we have ever offered on sale. So if you want to find out more information about this car, please head over to our website or give us a quick call.